MMTs, Nasdaq 100 Volatility Index. It's called a fear indicator. Yes, it is, the VXN. You can see back in 2008 when that thing broke out and never looked back, there was so much panic selling at that time. Then when the panic selling got out of the way, well, 2009, we went straight all the way down and we got very complacent here. StockMarketPunding.com on the homepage of the site. Back in February, look under indexes. We said that there was a problem, that there was going to be a correction. And yes, Tokyo came into play and added to it, but I'm above the 200-week moving average. That's the green line. This is a big breakout. This is where people had no fear in the market. They were complacent. They were happy. There was nothing to ever worry about. The world was perfect for them down here. But now, when you start breaking higher like this, and you start breaking higher like you are right here, here and now, and you've got a weekly buy signal on the VXN. You have not been in a weekly buy signal. That would be back over here in 2010 during that correction. We had one for a while. But they can escalate. That means that these these indexes are tradable in the volatility, but they haven't by any means. By looking at this right here, the Nasdaq comp, this is related to the Nasdaq comp, and it's also related to the Nasdaq 100. That means that in certain names outside of this triple witch, there is a lot more that this could go up. And if this does not get a big red bar next to it, like this green one here, you will continue to remain at fear elevated levels. That's where people panic sell and continue to until they get all the way out of the way. Then once all the panic selling's out of the way, then you're the biggest buyer ever. But I can tell you right now, you are above the 200-week moving average. And that means that that bull has got a lot to worry about. This is so far now. The week is not over. It's only Wednesday, 3/16. And right now it's 12/18. But I can tell you one thing. If you don't get a red bar next week next to this, and you don't close below that line, and this buy signal is just a mustard seed on a weekly level, when you get weekly buy signals, they have a tendency to work really well. And if we go higher, equities go lower.